hate fucking parks.
Now the final ascent. 5 a.m. The sun's just about up. We're ready to climb.
We're going. Look at yourself. You sit there, you're going. What are you going? Are you getting yourself?
I'm getting a pan this way to make it look. Yeah. Well done. Hill for a couple of weeks. Good job. Go on, Tommy. Make it happen.
There you go, that's the shot, John. Tommy's just eating there tonight.
So. Hang on, get me in the video so that it looks even better. Here's Dave falling. Hello. Aww. Zara, shut up.